My name is Arnold Wiggins. I'm basically a nervous person. People, they call me Arnold because well, I don't have a nickname. So, I pretend that Arnold is my nickname. So that when people call me Arnold, I pretend that they're close personal friends who know me by my nickname, Arnold. I live here in the Stonehenge Villa apartment complex. In a group of apartments with 3 other guys. Oh, well, did I mention I'm a nervous person? Well, frankly, I am. Today, I went to the store down the street to get some Wheaties, but I couldn't remember whether I wanted 1 box or more boxes. So, I asked the manager, how many boxes should I get? For just you, he said. Yes, sir, I said. 17, he said. Oh, thank you, I said. But, and this is what I want to emphasize by nervous, I could only find 9 boxes of Wheaties. So what can I do? Oh, well, I bought 9 boxes of Wheaties, 7 heads of lettuce, now that made 16, and 1 bag of charcoal briquettes. Now that made 17. Oh, and a quart of milk. You know, for the Wheaties. But the more I thought about it, the more I thought that I didn't get enough. What? Was it A, Wheaties, B, lettuce, or C, charcoal briquettes? Now this concerned me, so I asked the lady in line what she thought. I forgot what she said. But it was pretty thorough. And then I came home. Do you think I did the right thing?
What's them?
Just stuff I got at the store. We're running a little low.
I got this. See it?
Your library card. Oh, that's nice.
It says my name.
Oh, Lucian Smith, I see it right there.
It's big green.
It's nice.
Lucian P. Smith.
You know, libraries, they have that funny smell.
Smells like books.
That's it! Books! They all smell like books.
Bunnies like lettuce.
Yes, they constantly do. Do you have a bunny?
Bunny here.
No, really, Lucian. You never mentioned a bunny before. Oh, God, this concerns me a little. I mean, we are friends and all, and you never said nothing about a bunny.
It's got my name, Lucian P. Smith. You read them.
Sure, but I repeat, I have not forgot the bunny. Department of Agriculture Yearbook 1947?
Lucian P. Smith like hard books. It's hard.
Department of Agriculture Yearbook 1950.
Be a set.
Department of Agriculture Yearbook 1951. Department of Agriculture Yearbook 1949. Department of Agriculture Yearbook 1955.
Pretty good, huh? That's a bunny.
Did you lose the money? Now tell me the truth, Lucian. This is really beginning to bother me.
I've been reading good now. A, B, C, D.
No, listen, Lucian, this has to be emphasized. Okay, I got A, Wheaties, B, lettuce, and C, charcoal briquettes. Oh, and a quart of milk for the Wheaties. Did I mention the Wheaties? I think I forgot the Wheaties. Okay, so let's say that the Wheaties are D. You follow me, right? The Wheaties are D. Okay, so we have A, lettuce, B, charcoal briquettes, C, Wheaties, and D, Wheaties. Something screwed up here.